Hi everyone! Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my vlog. For today's video guys, I have a new and it's a very sexy one. Very sexy. Ayan. So guys, I have here, a very sexy limited edition. And this is the first one. Of course, this is the second one. Okay, so unahin muna natin tong isa kasi very cute. I don't know if this is fit to me, but this is large. Okay, this is large guys. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel everyone. So ito ang aking. This is large. I bought this for very cheap. 40 pesos, you're less than $1. Ayan. So, nag-sell ni siya. I bought this in the mall. Nag-sell to this siya, guys. Ayan. Sale siya. Ganyan siya sa harap. Pak, ganun. Ayan. So, ganyan siya sa loob, guys. There is like this. Okay? Tapos, pag sa likod mo siya, very cute lang niya siya, guys. Ganyan siya sa likod. Tingnan mo, oh. Maganda ang kanyang quality also and very cute. Okay, so the next is different naman. This is also worth for 40 pesos, less than $1. Large also ang kanyang, kita niyo guys, ang kanyang is may S and V and S, Victoria's Secret. Oh. Inspired by Victoria's Secret. Ayan, nakita niyo yan. May mga bato, may mga diamante pa dyan. May mga diamante pa siya. And then it's very like this. Palala, see-through siya guys. Ooh. It's a very nice, very nice, very nice guys. It's really like this. Pack like this and pack like this. Okay. Like this siya sa harap. Ganito siya sa likod. Okay? And then, kita ang inyong lubot. Chink. Just kidding guys. Okay, di ganito sa loob guys. So, pag sinuot natin siya, of course, it is more like this. So, I am very excited. Suot silang dalawa. Let's go. Suot na natin to guys. 1, 2, 3. I know you want me. Joke. Joke lang guys. Okay, let's go. So guys, this is the very first one. Gusto ko guys. First time ko magkaroon ng ganito. Parang panabo. This looks like, I don't know. I keep flopping with this. But it's cute. Ayan. Nang ko sumakay. Joke. Joke lang guys. Okay, ganyan siya guys dito sa harap. Dalawa. Ganyan siya. And sa likod, pak. Pagka ng ganun. Ayan, iba siya guys. It's different. Sha-la-la-la, la-la-la-la-la, naku isumakay. Hindi, iba yan. Guys, different siya guys. Very different siya. Pak, ganun. Pak, ganun. Hindi ko siya maintindihan bakit ganyan siya. Parang may ruffle. Okay, but anyway, ang cute niya guys. Ayan. Okay. Sa likod, ayan. Pak. Sha-la-la-la-la-la-la. Ayan, ganyan. Maganda naman siya guys. Hindi ko lang. Ayan, ganyan siya sa dito. Pak. Serve natin ang isa kung kumusta yung kung kasya ba sa akin. Like and subscribe everyone and share, ha? Let's read the second one. Ito guys ang the second one. Inspired by Victoria's Secret. It is very nice. Ayan, oh my gosh. Very nice talaga siya guys, ang kanyang quality. And then I really like it kasi fit na fit siya sa akin. Ayan, so ganito siya sa likod guys. Pack. When you go on the back, pack like this and pack like this. Pack like, Yan, maganda siya guys. Ayan, ganda niya guys. Ayan. Comment heart if you like my video. You can join to my Patreon, guys. The link is in my bio. Check my Patreon video there. Patreon link, guys. Like and subscribe, everyone. Maganda siya, guys. I like it. Sa likod is like this. Maganda siya, guys. Ayan, kanyang-ganyang pack. Maganda siya, guys. I really like it. Pakla. Maganda, guys. I hope you like my video. Ayan yung mga glitters niya. Thank you for watching. I love you all, guys.